Welcome to Brain Bitesize. Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of attraction. We'll uncover 15 mind-blowing psychological facts explaining why we're drawn to certain people. So, if you want to understand the intricate web of attraction, stay tuned. Number 1. The magnetic pull of symmetry. It's a curious fact, but our brains are hardwired to seek out symmetry in everything we see. This is especially true when it comes to human faces. Have you ever wondered why certain faces seem more attractive than others? The answer might lie in their symmetry. Scientific research has shown that we find symmetrical faces more appealing. But why is that? Well, from a biological standpoint, symmetry signals health and genetic fitness. It indicates that an individual has good genes and is a desirable mate. Our ancestors, primarily concerned with survival and reproduction, would have been attracted to those most likely to produce healthy offspring. Our brains constantly scan faces for this balance and proportion, even if we're unaware of it. When we see a perfectly symmetrical face, our brains respond positively. It's almost as if there's a magnet pulling us towards symmetry. This doesn't mean that only perfectly symmetrical faces are attractive. There's a lot more to attraction than symmetry alone. However, it does play a significant role. It's one of the many factors our brains consider when determining who we find attractive. Number 2. The chemistry of opposites. We've all heard the saying, opposites attract, but it's not just about contrasting personalities or differing interests. The attraction between opposites is rooted in something much deeper: our genes. An intriguing concept in genetics is major histocompatibility complexes, MHCs. These are sets of genes that play a critical role in our immune systems. But beyond that, they also influence who we're attracted to. Research has found that we're often drawn to individuals with different MHCs from our own. It's almost as if our bodies are subconsciously looking for a genetic match that complements our genetic makeup. This diversity in MHCs could lead to offspring with stronger and more versatile immune systems. Number 3. Follow their gaze. In the complex dance of attraction, our eyes often betray our feelings before we can put them into words. This is rooted in our psychology and a phenomenon known as gaze detection. Humans have an innate ability to determine where another person is looking. When we are attracted to someone, our eyes tend to be drawn to them, almost like a magnet. We steal glances their way, often without even realizing it. This is not just about appreciating their physical appearance. Our gaze can also signal a deep desire for interaction and connection. It could be a sign of attraction if you notice someone consistently looking your way, especially when they think you're not watching. They might be trying to catch your attention or be drawn to you. However, it's important to remember that context matters. If these stolen glances are accompanied by other signs of attraction, like body language cues or engaging conversation, it's a stronger indication of mutual interest. Number 4. The beauty bias. Our perception of beauty profoundly influences how we view and interact with others. This is often referred to as the beauty bias. When we find someone physically attractive, our judgment can become clouded, leading us to make assumptions about their character that might not hold. The beauty bias can lead us to perceive attractive individuals as more intelligent, kind, and trustworthy than they may be. This psychological phenomenon is known as the halo effect. It's as if an individual's physical attractiveness casts a glowing halo around them, causing us to view their entire persona positively. However, it's crucial to remember that looks can be deceiving. Physical attractiveness doesn't necessarily correlate with a person's character or personality traits. Just because someone is good-looking doesn't mean they're also good-natured or virtuous. Number 5. The voice of attraction. The sound of someone's voice can be a powerful factor in attraction, often on a subconscious level. It's not just about what they say but how they say it. Changes in pitch, tone, and speed can all reveal subtle hints about someone's feelings towards you. When we're attracted to someone, our voices can involuntarily alter. Research suggests that men tend to lower their pitch to signal masculinity and dominance, while women might heighten theirs, possibly to convey femininity. These changes are usually subtle, but if you listen closely, you can detect them. This vocal modulation is part of our body's natural response to attraction. Just as our pupils dilate or our heart rate increases when we see someone we're attracted to, our voices adjust to appeal to the person we're interested in. Number 6. Empower yourself. In the realm of attraction, confidence is a game changer. Traditionally, societal norms have dictated that men should be the ones to make the first move. However, this mindset is shifting, and for good reason. Studies suggest that women who take the initiative often have a higher success rate in attracting desirable partners. The first step in expressing interest or asking someone out can be empowering. It demonstrates self-assuredness and determination, universally attractive traits, regardless of gender. When you make the first move, you show interest in the person and reveal a bit about your character, that you're confident, assertive, and not afraid to go after what you want. The idea that confidence knows no gender is an important one. In the modern dating scene, the old rules are being rewritten. It's less about who should make the first move and more about who does. Taking the initiative can make you a more attractive option, not because you're pursuing it, but because you're showing that you're empowered and unafraid. Number 7. The blink and you're attracted rule. Attraction is a powerful force that can strike in an instant, a phenomenon often referred to as the blink and you're attracted rule. According to research, initial attraction towards someone takes about 5 seconds. These first few moments are pivotal in forming an impression and setting the stage for potential romantic interest. This rapid assessment is largely driven by our subconscious mind, which quickly evaluates physical appearance, body language, and other non-verbal cues. We're not consciously processing detailed characteristics or personality traits in these initial moments. Instead, our brains are making quick judgments based on first impressions. Number 8. The competition of evolution. The allure of the unavailable or taken individual is a fascinating aspect of human attraction, and it's deeply rooted in our evolutionary past. It ties into the concept of competition for the best mates, a drive that has shaped our species for millennia. This phenomenon, also known as mate choice copying, suggests that we're more likely to find someone attractive if others already desire them. It operates under the assumption that if someone is popular or sought after, they must possess desirable traits. This logic harkens back to our ancestors, who would compete for partners with the best attributes to ensure the survival and success of their offspring. Number 9. The allure of emotions. Emotions play a significant role in attraction, often as a magnetic pull that draws people together. Research suggests that men are frequently attracted to women who exude happiness and enthusiasm. A radiant smile, a joyful demeanor, or a zest for life can be incredibly appealing. These positive emotions signal a positive outlook on life, often perceived as a desirable trait in a partner. On the other hand, women tend to be drawn to confident, self-assured men. Confidence communicates strength, security, and stability, which many women find attractive. A confident man is seen as someone who knows his worth and isn't afraid to express it. These emotional cues can leave a lasting impression. They speak volumes about an individual's attitude towards life and relationships. So, harnessing the power of these emotions enhances your attractiveness. Number 10. The influence of familiarity. The premise is simple yet profound. The more we see someone, the more attractive they become to us. Familiarity is a powerful factor in attraction, functioning under what psychologists call the familiarity effect. This pattern underscores the importance of spending quality time with someone, as it can significantly enhance their attractiveness in our eyes. The familiarity effect works on the principle that repeated exposure to an individual increases our liking for them. As we spend more time with someone, we recognize their nuances and unique qualities, which can foster a sense of comfort and connection. This familiarity breeds a certain level of predictability and consistency, often associated with trust and security in relationships. It's worth noting that this effect doesn't just apply to physical appearance. It also encompasses personality traits, mannerisms, and even shared experiences. As we grow more familiar with these aspects, our attraction towards the person often increases. Number 11. Musical chemistry. The influence of music on attraction is a fascinating field of study. Known as musical chemistry, it suggests that the right tunes can significantly enhance how someone perceives you. Music can stir emotions, create connections, and even boost attraction, making it a potent tool in the game of romance. Music can set the mood and create an atmosphere that enhances our feelings towards someone else. A carefully chosen playlist can evoke specific emotions, memories, or sensations, making the listener more receptive to connection. For example, a romantic ballad might stir feelings of love and affection, while an upbeat dance track could ignite excitement and joy. Moreover, sharing musical experiences, such as attending concerts or listening to albums, can foster a sense of shared identity and mutual understanding. This shared experience can strengthen bonds and increase perceived attractiveness. Number 12. The beard appeal. Facial hair, specifically beards, has an interesting role in attraction. A well-groomed beard is often seen as a symbol of rugged masculinity and can significantly enhance a man's attractiveness. However, it's important to note that not all beard styles are created equal, and the appeal largely depends on how the beard is maintained. Short, well-trimmed beards are generally preferred. They strike a balance between clean-shaven and fully bearded, offering a look that's both rugged and refined. This style communicates a sense of control and maturity, suggesting that the wearer takes good care of their appearance. Conversely, unkempt or overly bushy beards can detract from a man's attractiveness. Such beards signal a lack of personal hygiene or care for one's appearance, traits that aren't typically associated with beauty. Number 13. The evolution of preferences. Attraction isn't set in stone. It evolves and changes, much like our personal growth and experiences. This phenomenon is referred to as the evolution of preferences. What this means is that what you find attractive today might not hold the same appeal tomorrow. Our tastes and preferences naturally evolve as we navigate life, gaining experiences and insights. This change can be influenced by personal development, exposure to diverse cultures or people, life experiences, or even lifestyle changes. For instance, as we mature, we might start valuing deeper qualities like kindness, stability, and intelligence over more superficial traits. Number 14. The power of scent. The power of scent in the realm of attraction is a fascinating topic. It's an often overlooked sense, yet it plays a significant role in how we perceive and feel about others. Our sense of smell is directly linked to the limbic system, the part of our brain that processes emotions and memories. This makes scent a potent trigger for powerful feelings and vivid recollections. In the context of attraction, certain scents can become synonymous with a person, creating a unique sensory signature that our brains associate with them. This olfactory fingerprint can evoke a sense of familiarity, comfort, and attraction, making us feel more drawn to the person who carries it. Moreover, studies have shown that we are subconsciously attracted to the natural body odors that complement our own, implying that our noses might be choosing our partners on a biological level. So, when someone tells you you smell nice, it's not just a casual compliment. It could be a subtle sign of their interest, their brain telling them something about your unique scent that's irresistibly attractive. Number 15. Laughter is the universal language. Laughter is more than just an expression of amusement or joy. It's a powerful tool in attraction. It's often said that laughter is the universal language, and this statement holds when forming connections and attracting others. People who can make us laugh or those with whom we share a sense of humor are more appealing. This appeal goes beyond the simple enjoyment of a good joke. Laughter releases endorphins, our body's natural feel-good chemicals, promoting well-being and happiness. When you laugh with someone, these positive feelings become associated with that person, making them more attractive in your eyes. Moreover, laughter fosters a sense of connection and camaraderie. It signals that you understand each other, share a common perspective, or have a similar outlook on life. This shared amusement creates a bond that's hard to resist, enhancing the person's attractiveness and making you laugh. There you have it, 15 mind-boggling psychological facts about attraction. Understanding these hidden factors can help you navigate the intricate world of attraction. If you found this video insightful, hit that subscribe button for more intriguing content from Brain Bitesize. Thanks for tuning in, and remember to stay tuned for more bite-sized knowledge.